I can feel there is somebody.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. These cats have formed a high-stakes neighborhood watch. Stay alert, team.
Lucy, can you go get Dad's puffer? Can you go get Dad's puffer, please?
Wow, what an incredible past 6.5 years. So much has changed, especially for Lucy. The day we rescued her, stars had aligned so perfectly, it honestly couldn't have happened any other way. She needed us, and we needed her. We became each other's lifeline, literally. I could go on all day about our lives together thus far, how she once ate through our kitchen door, ripped up the floor, and gave us a heart attack. I could try and explain how we trained such a good girl, but you see, Lucy trained herself. She's always been next to us. On the day I proposed to my wife, she brought the ring. On the day we got married, she led the way with flowers and never left our side during that first date. And she will always be there next to us with our food.
We did it.
That tale tells the whole story honestly. Those wrinkly potatoes are completely unbothered by this.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. This cat just... Not me watching this 12 times trying to. Watch the ears. The ears know exactly what is going on. Gendis has officially turned into a tiny apex predator today. That grasshopper is definitely rethinking its life choices. Talk about a crunchy playdate. Catch you later.
At what point do you reconsider your life choices? 1 kitten is a party, but 4 is a feline uprising. They are absolutely swarming that chair like it's the last lifeboat on the Titanic. Total chaos. Somebody call for backup.
Today's loaf of the day. Oh, that's a good loaf. It's gonna be a good day.
Excuse me, what? Are these cats really having a full-blown?
Galala. Dako kecil. Yang dilawan mo kerbo. Wala dek. Kejar deh, kejar deh.
Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know.
Gato kejar. Aduh, lagi perut.
Got my arms open for your love.
Takut dia.
Oh, I want
Kumat, kumat, kumat. Kumat orang gila ini, kumat, kumat. Kumat, Nah, sana juga.
They sing hallelujah.
At what point do you reconsider your life choices? 1 minute you're cuddled up with your bestie, and the next you're a wet noodle alone in a rainy alley. This cat is currently loading 404 error friend not found. Keep.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
They sing hallelujah. They sing
This has been living in my camera roll for weeks. Look at that fluffy tail go. Maximum zoom eyes or just pure. The hero nobody asked for has arrived. Destia is out here living the ultimate dream life of head scratches and zero responsibilities. Honestly, I'm convinced this cat has a better skincare routine than I do. Stay cozy, you legend.
Suara aneh dia langsung kabur, langsung ngumpet nyari tempat seaman-amannya. Pokoknya mah ini badannya gede doang, makannya banyak gitu ya. Ih, gemesin tapi ya, tapi bikin kesel juga ini dia teh. Cerewet banget kalau mau minta makan. Dasar embul.
You will share this. I know you will. This pet shop is pure mayhem. Dogs are roaming, toys are flying, and nobody is in charge. Is that a dog in a diaper? Total retail therapy gone wild. Seriously, who?
Okay, I need everyone to see what just happened here. These kittens just formed a synchronized shell squad. Iconic.
How long was the planning phase for this? 0 seconds. This little mastermind is rebooting in real time. Total blank stare. He looks like he just remembered an embarrassing thing he did 5 years ago. Stay weird, buddy. This is me every Monday morning, and I will not explain further. This cat is literally napping on a 50 kilograms bag of snacks.
Babon, ayo, maleh, pindah.
ഹേമന്തമെൻ കൈക്കുമ്പിളി തൂവുന്നിലാപ്പൂമീ പൂങ്കാറ്റ് പോ നിന്നുള്ളിലെ പൂഞ്ചില്ല തേടുന്നു ഞാനിതാ കിളിപാടുന്ന പാട്ടെന്റെ കാതിൽ